In order to get more insights and analyze keywords and the competition, we need external tools. Because even if we search, for example, for cat videos, we don't see how much competition this keyword has and what we can improve here to make a good video. As well, here on our channel, we cannot see if the hashtags we use, if the keywords we used are good. We can just guess that or search them here in the YouTube search bar, but we cannot be sure. That is why I highly recommend you to use VidIQ, which has a free plan and a paid plan. Of course, the paid one is better, but the free is more than enough for what we need. So here you have vidiq.com and you simply sign here up or log in, which I will do now. And then you see something like this. You should connect this tool to one of your channels, which I did, so I can show you this then for this channel here. And then you also should download the extension, which you can do for Firefox and Chrome. I add this to Chrome. And after doing so, we can go back to YouTube and simply refresh the page. And now we see the following. At first, we see a lot more information up here. So we see the hours watched on our channel for the last 12 months. We see the views in the last 60 minutes, 48 minutes. Then we see views in 7 days, minutes watched in 7 days, and subscribers. And we can tick off or on whatever we want. We can also click on a video like this. We will go through this anyway later and see the VidIQ score, which is the ranking of the tool. We see also here kind of search engine optimization analysis and also an optimization checklist. We can see video tags and so on and so on. It's also helpful by uploading a video. Let's do it like this and upload something here, because we see this search engine optimization score up here, and by typing in a description or a title, we see that this score hopefully goes up. Also by adding some tags here, we should have a good score up here and on the top right corner. You can also use this AI title recommendation. Here you have only 3 credits per day, so only 3 times this click. Then you can use this title. And the same goes for the description. Here you add some keywords and this tool writes you a perfect description. That is actually very nice. This is what VidIQ is doing. Of course, a bit more. Like if we search for cat videos, here on the right side you get a score, you get related keywords, and so on and so on. So this can now answer our question if this keyword cat video is actually good. Because we see a score, which is in this case low, so we have 0 to 100, and the higher here the amount, the better. So 39 is not good. You see the volume and the competition, and both should be in the green here. This is very high, so competition is very high. That's why I wouldn't use this keyword. You see the average age of the videos, you see the top creator, you see channels that have videos like this, you see related opportunities like related keywords, and you also see kind of queries from Google Trends. So funny cat videos is a top keyword here. Funny cat videos. We see 40, that is better than 38, but still not very good. Maybe this here, cute and funny, we see 25, even worse. Funny cats with an S, maybe this. Cats, 36, also not good. So try to find some good keywords here with high volume and low competition, best case. Okay, that is what helps me a lot to find new videos. What we will do in the next video is analyze one video, for example this here, because by clicking I see, as I showed you already, this full overview with all the tags, all the topics, also of videos or channels that I actually shouldn't have insights in, because that is not my channel, but still I can take a look at all the videos here.